let's make our slider mechanism. We'll start by using a ruler to make the bar mechanism. So I'm going to match the end of my ruler to the end of the page. This is going to be my bar. Then I place it, the end of the ruler, on the line that I've done. So the end of the ruler matches the first line. So once I've got my two lines, I cut just this end line here, this line here, leaving the middle line on. So the reason I'm doing this is I'm going to fold this over. I want it to be a little bit thicker. So if I fold it over, the paper will be stronger. This is PVA glue. So just get the corners so they match up. Just fold it over like so. And then this corner so it matches up. And there's my bar. Then I'm gonna, this is the rest of the piece of paper. I'm just gonna fold the paper just ever so slightly here and just cut a slit in it. A little slit like that. This is going to be the guide. See if it's the right length. So it doesn't quite fit, so we'll give it another little cut. So there it goes. There's my slider. It will slide through like this. That's basically it done. Then all I need to do is decide the theme for it. So in this case, I'm going to do a quick football. And cut that out. You can see I'm turning the page as I'm cutting it. So I'm always cutting, the paper's turning, but the scissors aren't. There's my football. Now I just need to glue it onto the end of my slider. I'll put the glue onto the actual slider itself. There you have it. Now what else can I do? I'll draw a quick pair of football boots. And laces. And there you go. There's my slider. Now if you find that this part's wobbling a little bit, then all we need to do is cut another little piece of paper, and then we're going to make a guide. So that's just going to make sure that the bar doesn't wobble. Now this is important. We're going to glue the paper, making sure we don't glue the middle of the guide. So it's like a bridge. So we don't want any glue on this part. can see as it moves, that keeps the slider in place. So there you have it. Now, that's just a very quick one, so straight away we can see actually there are lots of things that we could improve about this one. You can see that I'm having to bend this over when the slider's not quite long enough. So that's one thing that we could do to improve it. Maybe if it was moving that way and the ball came across of it, it would look better. This is meant to be a thank you card, so I might add some very quick writing on it. You help me score. Here's my thank you card. Now, obviously, this is just a quick prototype. When I come to doing the final design, I will make lots of improvements.